rainy day and we've got a lot of stuff to do today. The birds need food, the bunnies need food, the beef needs food. So lots of running around that has to be done, and it's a terribly rainy day. All right, Beef, it's time to get into your seat. You gotta go sit down, my Beef. Come on, Mom's gotta drive. Beefy, is it raining out, my Beef? What do you see? All right, Beef. Here, I'll roll down the window for you. I'm not sure how much you're gonna like the rain, though. He's not gonna be too happy with it. His face! Oh my god, I'm dying. Say hi, Beef. You too. Bye. Apparently, putting your cat in a raincoat is what happens in your 40s. Thank you.